Good morning, children. Welcome to chemistry class. Today we are discussing exercise questions from the chapter Acid, Bases and Salts. First question is, a solution turns red litmus blue, its pH is likely to be option A 1, option B 4, option C 5, option D 10. Bases turns red litmus to blue and acids turns blue litmus to red. Basic solution has a pH value more than 7. Since the solution turns red litmus blue, its pH is likely to be 10. From the option you can see pH value is more than 7 is only 10 is here. So the answer become 10 because it's a basic solution. pH of basic solution always more than 7. Okay. Question 2. A solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains NaCl, option B HCl, option C LiCl and D KCl. Answer become the solution contains HCl. Question 3. 10 ml of solution of sodium hydroxide is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of a given solution of HCl. If we take 20 ml of the same solution of sodium hydroxide, the amount of HCl solution, the same solution as before, required to neutralize it will be option A 4 ml, option B 8 ml, option C 12 ml and option D 16 ml. Answer become 16 ml of HCl solution will be required. Okay. Fourth question. Which one of the following types of medicines is used for treating indigestion? A. Antibiotic, B. Analgesic, C. Antacid, D. Antiseptic. We know the answer. This is very easy question for you. So antacid is used for treating indigestion. Question number 5. Write word equation and then balanced equations for the reaction taking place when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules, B. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium ribbon, C. Dilute sulfuric acid reacts with aluminum powder, D. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with iron fillings. You can see answers here. Sulfuric acid plus zinc, which gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. H2SO4 plus zinc, which gives zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 plus H2. B. Hydrochloric acid plus magnesium, which gives magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. 2HCl plus Mg, which gives MgCl2 plus H2. C. Sulfuric acid plus aluminium gives aluminium sulfate plus hydrogen. 3H2SO4 plus 2Al gives Al2SO4 thrice plus 3H2. And D. Hydrochloric acid plus iron gives ferric chloride plus hydrogen. 6HCl plus 2Fe gives 2FeCl3 plus 3H2. Sixth question. Compounds such as alcohols and glucose also contain hydrogen but are not categorized as acids. Describe an activity to prove it. So we can prove with an experiment here. 2 nails are fitted on the cork and kept in the 100 ml of beaker. The nails are then connected to the two terminals of a 6-volt battery through a bulb and a switch. Some dilute HCl is poured in the beaker and the current is switched on. The same experiment is then performed with glucose solution and alcohol solution. So what will be the observation? We know that the observation. It will be observed that the bulb glows in the HCl solution and does not glow in the glucose solution. We already learned this experiment. So we know the answers for this question. Question number 7. Why does distilled water not conduct electricity, whereas rainwater does? Distilled water is a pure form of water and is devoid of any ionic species. Therefore, it does not conduct electricity. Rainwater, being an impure form of water, contains many ionic species such as acids, and therefore it conducts electricity. Eighth question. Why do acids not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Answer. Acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water because the dissociation of hydrogen ions from an acid occurs in the presence of water only. It is the hydrogen ions that are responsible for the acidic behavior. Next question. 5 solutions A, B, C, D and E when tested with the universal indicator showed pH as 4, 1, 11, 7 and 9 respectively. Which solution is neutral? Which solution strongly acid? Which one is strongly acidic, weakly acidic and weakly alkaline? So based on this data we can categorize each solutions what will be there in up to categories. Okay. Arrange the pH in increasing order of hydrogen ion concentration. Answer. Neutral solution D with the pH 7. Strongly alkaline solution C with the pH 11. Strongly acidic solution B with the pH 1. Weakly acidic solution A with the pH 4. Weakly alkaline solution E with the pH 9. The pH can be arranged in the increasing order of the concentration of hydrogen ions as 11 less than 9 less than 7 less than 4 less than 1. Question number 10. Equal length of magnesium ribbon are taken in test tube A and B. Hydrochloric acid is added to test tube A, while acetic acid CH3COOH is added to the test tube B. In which test tube will the fizzing occur more vigorously and why? The fizzing will occur strongly in test tube A, in which hydrochloric acid is added. This is because HCl is a stronger acid than acetic acid and therefore produces hydrogen gas at a faster speed due to which fizzing occurs. Question number 11. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. How do you think the pH will change as it turns to curd? Explain your answer. Answer is pH of the milk is 6. As it changes to curd, the pH will reduce because curd is acidic nature. So acid present in curd decrease the pH. 12th question. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? B. Why does this milk take a long time to set as curd? So, answer is the milkman shifts the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline because in alkaline condition milk does not set as curd easily. Since this milk is slightly basic than usual milk, acids produced to set the curd are neutralized by the base. Therefore, it takes a longer time for the curd to set. Question number 13. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Explain why. Answer is it because plaster of Paris, a powdery mass, absorb water to form a hard solid known as gypsum. Equation is CaSO4 dot half H2O plus 1.5 H2O gives CaSO4 dot 2 H2O. Next question. What is neutralization reaction? Give 2 examples. A reaction in which an acid and base react with each other to give a salt and water is termed as neutralization reaction. In this reaction, energy is evolved in the form of heat. For example, sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride and water. Last question. Question number 15. Give 2 important uses of washing soda and baking soda. Washing soda. First use is it is used in glass, soap and paper industries. Second use, it is used to remove permanent hardness of water. Then baking soda, it is used as a baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and a mild acid known as tartaric acid. When it is heated or mixed in water, it releases CO2 that makes bread or cake fluffy. Second use of baking soda is it is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Children, we completed our second chapter, acids, bases and salt, and its exercise questions. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next class. Bye bye.